In a world where fast food and processed meals dominate our diets, finding ways to nourish our bodies with wholesome, holistic recipes has never been more important. Simple, nutritious meals can not only support our physical health, but also enhance our mental well-being. Embracing a holistic approach to cooking means prioritizing ingredients that are whole, unrefined, and rich in nutrients. Here are a few simple recipes that are not only delicious, but also nourishing, making it easier to cultivate a healthier lifestyle. Start your day with a vibrant smoothie bowl. Blend together a banana, a handful of spinach, a cup of almond milk, and a scoop of nut butter until smooth. Pour it into a bowl and top with your favorite fruits, such as berries, kiwi, or mango, and a sprinkle of granola and chia seeds. This breakfast is packed with vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats, providing a perfect boost of energy to kickstart your day. For lunch, try a quinoa salad that's both satisfying and refreshing. Cook a cup of quinoa and let it cool. In a large bowl, combine the quinoa with diced cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, bell peppers, and red onion. Add a handful of chopped parsley and a squeeze of lemon juice. Drizzle with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. This dish is not only rich in protein and fiber, but also bursting with fresh flavors. When it comes to dinner, consider a roasted vegetable medley. Chop your favorite vegetables like sweet potatoes, carrots, and Brussels sprouts, and toss them with olive oil, garlic, and herbs of your choice. Spread them on a baking sheet and roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for about 25 to 30 minutes until they're golden and tender. Serve these alongside a protein source like grilled chicken or chickpeas for a complete meal that's both nourishing and satisfying. Snacking is an essential part of any holistic diet, and homemade energy balls are a great option. In a food processor, combine dates, oats, nut butter, and a pinch of salt. Blend until the mixture forms a sticky dough. Roll into small balls and refrigerate for an easy grab-and-go snack that's full of fiber and healthy fats. To satisfy your sweet tooth while still nourishing your body, try making a chia pudding. Combine a quarter cup of chia seeds with a cup of almond milk and a drizzle of maple syrup. Let it sit in the refrigerator for a few hours or overnight until it thickens. Top with fresh fruit and nuts for a delicious dessert that's also rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. These recipes are not just about nourishment. They're an invitation to connect with the food you eat. Preparing meals with whole, fresh ingredients encourages mindfulness and appreciation for the nourishment they provide. By making small changes in your kitchen, you can create meals that support your body and promote overall well-being. Incorporating simple, holistic recipes into your routine doesn't have to be overwhelming. With a little creativity and a focus on whole foods, you can transform your meals into nourishing experiences. Remember, cooking is an act of self-care, and taking the time to prepare wholesome food can profoundly impact your physical and mental health. As you explore these recipes, you'll discover that nourishing your body can be both simple and delicious, ultimately leading to a more vibrant and balanced life. Embrace this journey and let the joy of cooking elevate your well-being.